Okay, I have Volvo V70 year 2010, and I bought from eBay Bluetooth connection with this wire attached here, one end here and one end here into original coupling, but it didn't work. And if you don't have that aux button here, as seller said, of course I don't have, but I can choose from mode aux, and I have this plug here. So for this, because it didn't work, like this is going for the original coupling, and there was 2 extras, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this new cable, same as the other end. But if we look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing. There's absolutely nothing to connect. So to this to work, and you can see from this end that goes into the radio, there's white and red coupling from the Bluetooth, and the yellow that goes also there. See, it goes like this, and there's yellow on that second, and here on the second, nothing. There's absolutely nothing. So I cut those wires out from that coupling from there. You don't have to use the red wire, that you can forget, but the yellow and white, it didn't seem to be anything. I don't know, I was playing Bluetooth with the iPhone, so I can't choose right or left. So either way, you can, this is just test purposes, these wires here, but like these, especially in this car, my car, there's this brown, green and white. These are aux input to the radio, and you only need a brown one and the white one, and that's it. You don't need the green wire, it's ground. And you only connect, I don't connect anything there. I'm just taking this, like it's coming like this, so we have orange, blue, white and orange here, the colors. So I'm gonna plug these yellow and white, this orange, 2 oranges here, one in the left and one in the right. But do not cut these wires, just connect them to these wires, like scrape with utility knife or something, and I'm gonna solder them here. But after that, it's gonna work, because I already tested it. This is what I done now. So yellow and yellow and white one, they are connected to orange cables here, and red wire is just they're not connected, but it's here under this, so I left it here just in case if it's gonna take radio signals or something distortion to the sound, so I'm gonna keep it there and test it. Let's put it together. And when you connect this first, then this Bluetooth is gonna blink, but now it's connected to my phone, so it's blinking not so fast. Next, just gonna couple that there and let's test it again. It's there. It's very annoying to put this on in its place when you have that coupling and Bluetooth, and you have to pull it downwards on the slot there, so there's nothing behind, because these are very fiddly to get in place by this radio. But now it's in place. Now I start to put it together, and I tested it already. It works like a charm.